So now we know that the area of the triangle, that's the most basic thing, right? The most basic thing, like the area how we can find this. If the triangle is given as ABC, all we know that the area of triangle usually denoted by this, or triangle ABC, or somewhere we can say area of triangle ABC, right? This is the symbol or sign of area of the triangle ABC. Usually, right, we can go with box of triangle ABC is half into base into height, right? Where h denotes the height of this, right? And base is the in this base is given, right? First. But how to use this area part now in different forms? Different forms means this okay now? Simple, all you know this. So what we have to do, if I'm saying case two, when I'm saying trapezium is there, trapezium is one of the special case. Right? This is one of the special case when we are saying the ABCD is something ABCD, right? This ABCD, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC if I join B to D and I join A to C. The beautiful part is the area पे ये figures बनाने में, like you'll always enjoy it. This, let the point I'm giving this is some E. You can see the triangle, right? We are not talking about the similar triangle and all. What I'm saying, if you'll see the area of ABC, if I'll drop the perpendicular on this, and area of DBC. Can I say both are equal? Why? Because both having same heights. Right, so 100% I can say this. But if I'll subtract BAC, both sides, what area I'm getting? Area of AB, the yellow one, and the orange one. Right? Please refer this diagram. Good one now. Just only you have to see, right, what we have to subtract for getting both the areas are same, right? So visualization we have to improve from where we are getting this type of areas, right? This is for trapezium. third, the basic on this is when I'm giving you in triangle ABC, where M is the midpoint of BC, right? Just I'm taking a triangle. M is the midpoint of BC, ABC. This is point M, right? So if this is M is the midpoint, तो एक बात तो हमेशा ख्याल रखना है, just you have to remember this. The median always divides the triangle in equal areas. Medians always divide the triangles into equal areas. If I'm saying this M, so this always dividing the area into two equal areas, right? This is A by 2, this is length A by 2, if the complete length is A. If I'll drop a perpendicular from this, I hope you all are understanding why this is happening. One triangle, I'm saying this one, and other triangle, I'll darken that one with yellow. So this is the triangle. So for this triangle, this is the obtuse angle you can say, and this obtuse angle triangle forming the perpendicular. And the second triangle is this one. Is this okay, everyone? The bases in both the cases are same and height is also same. Right. So obviously both the like just you can see this both the triangles having equal area. So I'm saying triangle ABM and triangle AMC both having equal areas. Okay, this is a simple thing, right? But what you have to prove in this case, I'm taking any point D on A. I'm taking any point D on AM. Now, prove this. Area of ABD and area of ACD will be equal. This is clear. Area of ABD and area of ACD, right? Equal. Try this. From this, we can say we are starting the geometrical part. No, this is not the midpoint. This is not the midpoint. This is any point on this.
Third,
Very good.
sir, I've sent the explanation.
Okay. Then you are saying, okay. See, this is one triangle and this is the,
So here BM and NC have the same base and then the height would still be the same. So that means MBD area would be equal to MCD area. So it will
yes.
subtract that.
How you will prove this? The height will be the
So,
same.
sir, because MBD obtuse angle and
Sir,
MCD, yeah, the same height would be there, right? Like in ABC, AM was the common height, right? So here MD would be the
sir,
common height.
in triangle ABM and ACM, when we subtract BDM and MDC, the common triangles, then we can prove that ABD and ACD are equal because AM is median for both the triangles, and so ratio of areas will be the same.
So I can say the area of ABM, right? The same thing what we have done earlier. And this, right? This is the area first. And second, I'm saying the area of AMC. ABM and AMC, yeah, ACM, right? Both are same, right? So we can go from that. But what I'm saying, if you see this carefully, right? I'm taking triangle with a base this. Can you see this? AD, right? If AD is the base, so this is the triangle, right? This is the obtuse angle triangle, right? So if I'll drop a perpendicular from B, this will go on this, right? Similarly, if I'll drop a perpendicular from C, I'm getting somewhere here, right? Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? So if you'll see this, just I'm giving the name L and L dash, right? See the triangle. See the triangle CLM and BL dash, these two triangles. Can you see this? This angle and this angle both are same, right? And this angle is 90 and this angle is also 90 and this base is same, or this is the length a by 2 both having the same length. Means both the triangles are what?
Congruent.
Congruent. So the height h1 and height h2, that must be same, both having the same height h, right? So this having the same height, right? So I can say the base is same in both the case AD and the height will be same. So area of ABD is equal to area of ACD. Is this okay?
But wouldn't MD be parallel to AM and then we could just directly get the height? No,
What is
not MD. I mean, like there would be a common height, right? Like
Mhm.
if would put the D and then a perpendicular, both the heights would be the same.
Mhm.
And the bases are both A by 2 and A by 2. So if the heights are same, then area would directly be same. And then we can just subtract it from.
If you want to subtract, just a minute, just note down this, then I'll go for the subtraction also.
Yeah, sir, I noted that.
Done, everyone?
Yes.
Right? If I want to go with, this is the best part of geometry now. If you are thinking, you can go in different ways, right? And these are the simple things, right? Just for the starting. This is the median passing through M. And now, what I have to prove, this and second one is this one. Both the areas are same. If I want to subtract this, so already we know that we have written there also, ABM area is equal to area of ACM, right? Now, if you'll see, I can subtract the area DBM and I'm subtracting the area DCM. If I'll subtract both the areas, so I'll get the area of what we required. Is this okay? But we have to prove that this and this, both the areas are same, right? Since we have already seen in this, okay, the triangle is given, this triangle, and the other triangle is this one. If I draw perpendicular from this, I hope this will be a perpendicular. The bases of both are same and height is also same. Means both the areas will be same. So if I'll subtracting both the areas same, so we'll get this area and this area will be equal.
Yeah, sir, that's what I was trying to say.
Is this okay?
I use this method.
This one, right? So like lot many like ways we have, so we can go with
सर
uh,
सर मैंने चैट में कुछ भेजा है
construction of trisection. Just
सर ट्राइसेक्शन
bisect then bisect.
तो मतलब ट्राइसेक्शन ही करना है
हाँ, bisect then bisect.
सो उससे 1/4 हो जाएगा
I'm sending. रुक जा 2 मिनट ना. Next. ABC. This is given, right? Extending this BC to D, right? Such that BC is equal to CD. ABC is a triangle, right? Extending BC to D such that BC is equal to CD. E is the point on AC. Any point E is given on AC. Right? Draw a parallelogram. Gram CDFE. Right? Okay. Right? Yeah. Now, what I'm saying, area of AEBF is equal to area of triangle ABC. This is the point F ना, ये वाली point F है.
But we have to prove that, right?
ये हाँ, AEBF, area of this
ABEF, right?
AEBF पैरेललोग्राम, ये जो अपने पास है ना
अच्छा वो
AEBF, ये मैंने शेडेड कर दिया ना, ये येलो कलर मैंने कर दिया, राइट. It's a good one, right? Just you have to try this ना. और यूज करने हैं आपको, जो पैरेललोग्राम है उसको बड़े अच्छे से यूज करने हैं. CDEF, राइट. CDEF इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, वो सबसे अच्छे से यूज करने हैं आपको. मैं स्टार्ट करूं क्या? संजना, वेरी गुड बेटा. ABC. You are saying ABC and DEF. I think it will be the half or something. संजना एक बार check करो बेटा. Just check it out. The heights are not same for both the cases.
So if we drop a height from vertex B to AC, then
B to
yes.
but if I'm taking as a triangle, so base will be not BC, then base will be, you are saying AC. If AC is the base, AC is the base, so we don't have any relation for AC and the side CD or EF. So you have to change this to BC and EF or CD something. So I guess you will get that. Good going. Should I start? Should I start? See. So in this, what we can do, right? This diagram is beautiful, right? I will copy this only. Right. Just first, I'll go with the area of this the triangle AEF. This one, right? Area of AEF and BEF. Since AEF and BEF both are on the line EF, right? So can I say this, if I'm extending this line, so I can drop perpendicular from A and I can drop perpendicular from B. See this carefully, right? So if I'm saying this is H1 and this is height H2, so area of triangle AEF is nothing but half of EF into H1 base into height. It is okay.
सर फिर BEF का जो होगा वो H2 होगा, तो अगर हम लोग कॉमन लेंगे तो H1 प्लस H2 टोटल ट्राइंगल का H होगा, तो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू H हो
ये
जाएगा.
बात तो पकड़ दिया तुमने. अब थोड़े से और वर्किंग है हमारे पास only, right? H1 and H2. So if I'll add both this, so this is giving you the area of, right, AEBF. This is not triangle, so AEBF is half of EF is common out H1 plus H2. And can I see this? H1 plus H2 is nothing but the height of
the triangle itself, and EF is equal to CD is equal to BC, so BC हम लोग ले सकते हैं, तो triangle बन जाएगा हम लोग का.
EF. This EF is same as CD, and CD was given same as BC. Right? See the beauty, right? So this is coming as BC, and H1 and H2 is the height H, and that is the height of a triangle ABC. So this is ABC is in the area. So the planning and the basic, only the geometry, right? Or only you have to do the construction. What construction is required, just like थोड़ी सी practice. Sanjana, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Tatayani, it's okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Can I go for one more question? Chalega? Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See. Given a right angle triangle ABC, where angle C is 90 degree, draw CD parallel to AB, right? Right, I'm giving you the diagram. ABC is 90 degree, ACB in fact. ACB is 90 degree. A line this is parallel to circular square. Right? CD is parallel to AB, right? And join this. This is 90 degree, and a perpendicular or drawn on this at E. Right?
Sir, the full question.
ठीक है ना? First, draw this. Then
Yes.
so area of triangle ABC, this is the simple one, is equal to area of triangle ABD. Just diagram में देखना, this थोड़ा सा diagram में change है बेटा. Just a minute ना. This is the point. Yeah. Right? Look, figure up, like you can try figure in other way also, so you get the feeling exactly how this is done. Right? Only like the figure is important. Something hint is required. Just see by the rotation of this complete figure, if possible, rotate the figure, see where the height will be same and all. So you'll be able to find it out where the area will be same or not. The perfect figure will always give you the direct answer, right? And like, sorry, but this is not the perfect one in this case, what I have drawn. You have to do this, right? You have to try your perfect figure. Your perfect diagram will always tell you the answer, the provings. Can we start?
सर हो
2
जाएगा
minutes.
सर डन
Very good, very
सर
good.
उसमें हम लोग को क्या करना था सीडी को हम लोग एक्सटेंड ऐसे कर देते कि एबीसीडी
Wait,
मैं
wait.
बताऊंगा
Right, करने दो. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. Utkarsh,
2 minutes.
Sanjana, done beta?
सर आप सेंटेड
Ah, very good. Perfectly said. See. I'm trying a perfect diagram this time. Right? Or just a minute. The same question what you have done before, right? So if I'll just I have to join this to this was A, this was B, this was C and D, and this is 90-degree, and we have to draw perpendicular lines. First, you can see in this, right? I'll rotate this. Okay. I'll rotate this, or you have copy, so you can rotate this easily. Right? So if you'll see, right, AB is the base. In AB base, if I'm taking one of the height is this one, and the other height is this one. So in the triangle ABC and in the triangle ABD, both the heights are same because both the lines AB and CD are parallel. If two parallel lines are given, so from anyhow, if I'm drawing a perpendicular line, so 100% perpendicular lines will be always equal, right? And base of this, right? So one of the triangle we are into ABD, right? And second triangle is ABC. With the same base, with the same height, you are forming two triangles, right?
सर
So,
मेरे पास और एक भी है इसके
Yeah.
बाद मैं बता सकता
yes, just a minute. So I can say this area of ABD, ABD and the area of ABC, both will be equal, right? And लेकिन मैं ये क्वेश्चन नहीं एक्चुअल में मैं थ्योरी पढ़ाना चाहता था जिसपे आई हैव गिवन यू दिस क्वेश्चन बट आर्यन टू यू बेटा यस
सर मेरे पास वो राइटिंग टैबलेट है तो मैं वो स्क्रीन में दिखा सकता हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव द राइटिंग टैबलेट सो थोड़ा जरूरत है
आई हैव टू गिव इट टू यू
आई मीन लाइक शेयर स्क्रीन नहीं मतलब इस स्क्रीन में आपने एनोटेट ऑन लगाया हुआ है सो इसमें मेरे पास जो राइटिंग है वो पीसी के लिए तो मैं वो उधर दिखा सकता हूँ
यस प्लीज
सर आप नीचे कर स्क्रॉल कर सकते हो ये तो
इसको ये
यस ओके सो व्हाट आई एक्चुअली डिड इज दैट फर्स्ट में ये जो आपने ट्राइंगल बनाया है वेट अ मिनट so here I have made a right triangle A B C so here it's 90 so what I instead did is that instead of just like extending CD just till here I extended it to whole so that it would become a parallelogram. Then it whole so that it would become a parallelogram and then we would then get to know that this would also be 90 since we have a parallelogram here by alternate angle theories.
very good
This is parallel, this is parallel, this is also parallel, this is also parallel. So now what we can do is that we know that this side would be equal to this side and this side would be equal to this side since we know that it's a parallelogram. So hence we can prove that triangle, wait a minute, I forgot to do one thing. Yeah. Make triangle ABD and this would be the height. So since triangle ABC has the same height with triangle ABD. सर द रीजन सेम हाइट है क्योंकि हम लोग का जो है ये ऑप्टिस एंगल है ऑप्टिस एंगल ट्राइंगल है तो इधर हम लोग का सेम हाइट हो जाएगा
very good now let's
so then after that AD is equal to BC and same height hence area will also be the same.
okay very good the same like you have to use the property of parallelogram the basis see for area you have to use the base right the base is always there if basis like you are able to pick the base from which base I have to go for the question now so 100% you'll be able to get this right so it's not coming on my this thing so you have to remove this
Yes, I'll just remove it so you can just clear it
it's okay
yeah that, thank you, sir.
Okay, so what I was saying from this, right, till, okay, everyone? So, like, this was E, right? So, both the areas are equal, right? So, what I can say from this, area of this triangle is the ABC area. Say this carefully, na? Main thing is coming here only. Area of this is half into AC into BC. Similarly, the same case, area of ABD is coming as half into BD into AD is coming. Is this okay? Right? So BD into AD is equal to AC into BC. Maybe you'll get this thing, what you have to prove. The second question on this. If this is BD into AE, this is AE, na? BD into AE. So from this I can say AE upon AC is equals to BC upon BD. Are you getting anything on this? Are you getting anything on this? Right? A similar triangle के लिए you can prove in that way also. Right? Or moreover, I can say from this now we are able to say area of ABC upon area of A dash B dash C dash is always, if the bases are same, is H1 by H2, both the, right, with for equal bases. Base means BC is equal to B dash C, right? BC is equal to B dash C dash, right? So these all are for the symmetric case, right? Very good. These all are for the symmetric case. But what if you're not getting the symmetric figure? You are getting the figure like it's not in the symmetric form means, right? So next, again, an important question or the theory part, right? Given triangle ABC, D is a point on BC such that BC is equal to 3 BD. E is a point on AD such that AD is equal to 4 DE, right? You have to prove both this first. Prove करने दूं या कुछ like find करने दूं? What do you like?
Find.
Find. चलो.
Sir, proof.
Find बोल दिया पहले तुमने proof बोला होता तो, right? So area of ACE upon area of ABE. ये दोनों का रेशियो. Second, area of ABC. These are simple, right? But चलो starting तो simple से ही होने हैं. ABC upon area of BCE. Right? Now draw a figure, right? What length you have to pick, from what you have to do, just go through that. I have given a concept on this, right? You have to use this concept, right?
Sir, is it a right angle triangle?
No, not given. Right angle with that will be very simple. Right. Right angle with directly you can say that the heights are proportional to like the bases will be in that ratio only. And just we have to practice in all the triangle. Maximum you have to take the obtuse angle because in if we are able to see all the figures in obtuse angle now, so will be comfortable, right? Within a week, 2 week or 3 weeks now, in a month we will be comfortable. Sanjana, okay na beta?
Yes.
Sir, I said the first one.
Very good.
What?
सर दोनों कहाँ गए?
Again, good, 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 good. Should I start?
सर आप एक बार मेरा
Sir, I
चेक
use a way like how to do like what I did.
Sanjana, just send, beta. Not required to find the height, right? Just you have to take the ratios.
Sir, I've used the way how we can do it. I've sent in chat.
You see, you have draw the figure of that.
हाँ सर मेरे पास फिगर है.
थोड़ा फिगर को एक्सटेंड करके एक बार देखो तो जस्ट इज दिस पॉसिबल टू merge both the figures after the rotation or something?
सर रोटेशन मतलब कैसे?
Just send me the figure now. एक बार मैं फिगर देख लूं दोनों फिगर right individually. Just cut one of the figure of DAC11 right and the second one figure. Right. Is this possible after rotation we can merge the one triangle into the another one?
So
Same.
मतलब rotated figures.
After rotation or after just enlarging this or something, just see. May I start?
Sir has told, like, sir has said how we can do that.
Very good, beta. Very good.
I mean, like, what we can take approach.
Okay, let's see. So this is the triangle, right? ABC. That I'm taking this triangle as A, B, and C. And it is given that AD.
ऐसा मैंने diagram भेजा.
Right, AD is equal to 4D and BC is equal to, yes, just BC is equal to 3B. BC, and this is the D point. Right, this is the D. I can extend this also. Right, BC and BD. Right, and E is a point here. AD is equal to 4 times of D. Acha, you know this. This we can prove this by vectors also. That will be a very good method, right? This we can also prove, or this we can deal these type of question by ratio proportion, right? Also, and this this you can solve by the coordinate geometry too, right? So
Sir,
both different
yeah.
methods they have, like you can use all the methods, right? But abhi ke liye to we have, because we have to apply and understand this. One of the triangle is this one we have to talk about, and the other one is this one.
Sir,
Right.
I've taken triangle such that AD is perpendicular to BC.
Very good. And I have to draw perpendicular from this. This is the point P, and one perpendicular from this. This is the point some H. Right. First, since ABD and ACD, ABD, ACD both are right in a with the same base and same height or is given, right? The height AH are same in both the cases. So directly I can say area of A, B, and D upon area of A, C, and D. Both will be right with the same base it is, and the height will be same. So the ratio of height will be only we have to take. What is the height ratio of the height BD and DC? It was given BC and BD was 1:3. So what is the height for BD and DC? Can I say this
1:2.
1:2? Right, directly this is coming. Right. This is the first result, what I'm getting. Similarly, what we can say for area of CDE, right? This one. And the area of DDE. What we can say for these two areas? Again with the same thing, right? 2:1, right? I've taken this in the reverse way. So this is 2:1. Is this okay? Right? If I'll subtract both this, so what I'm getting from this? Area of ACE, AC and E is nothing but area of ACD minus what you have earlier done. We are doing the same thing, right? CD. And we have both this number and this number in the ratios of this. So can I write twice of, first is ACD is coming as area of ABD minus area of BD. Okay. And this is, what is this area? See this carefully. What is this area? ABD subtracting BDE. So what area I'm getting? ABE, right? So what was the requirement? You are getting the answer back. Is this okay? Is this okay, everyone? The same thing I'm doing, right? What was the proof now? The same thing what we have already proved we are doing, right? For the second one,
So what would be the answer of the first one?
first one is 2. 2:1. 2:1 is coming now. 2:1.
Yes, sir. Sir, an easier way we can do is if we take AD is perpendicular to BC, then everything is direct.
Yes, sir.
That is the simplest
सर
case,
आपका स्टेटमेंट में एक हिंट था इसीलिए
right? And what about this one? ABC.
सर इसका 4 आ रहा है ना
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Same.
Everyone is getting this? 2, 4, 4. Katayani, what you are getting, beta?
Sir, I haven't solved it yet. I'm still.
See this carefully. If you want to ask anything, please ask. See this
Yes.
carefully.
तो वो डायग्राम मैंने भेजवा दी
Sir, the ratio of sides will give us, the square of them will give us the ratio of areas, right?
Yes, but we have done this. If bases are same, so height will be giving you the directly proportional to the areas, or vice versa. If heights are same, so bases, the ratio of the bases will be giving you the ratio of the area, right? In this, we have proved that if heights are given there and bases are directly proportional, right? in this case, right? So we can say ki if I'm saying ki area of ABC or area of A dash, B dash, C dash, we have to find. If bases are equal, so I have to write down only the heights. H1 by H2 will be the area. But heights are same, so I can say, because see, what is the area? Half into base into height, right? So if heights are same, so heights will be cancelling out or half cancelling out. So this is directly proportional to the basis, or this is directly proportional to the area. So what we are trying every time, we are trying to make the figure in that way, so we'll get the same height. Right. So if you get the same height for two triangles, so you can see, right, this triangle, this is the obtuse angle triangle. You are getting the same height. This triangle, you are getting the same. So directly you can say the area will be in the ratio of BD is to DC only. Right? If bases are same, then we can say that heights are given. So if parallel sides are given, right? So heights are same. Right. Then 100% I can say that the basis will be, right, will be the ratio of the area. If medians are given, right? So medians are given, so I can say that medians divide this length into two equal sides. So I can say the ratio will be the heights only. Right. So I'm dropping the perpendicular from this. So उन जितने भी cases है उसमें if you'll see, I'm dropping the perpendicular on this. Right, because this and this lengths are equal. Right. So the trick is, like, either I have to go with the base or we have to go with the height. Understand?
Yes, sir.
How you apply in this question, what I have given there, this one. A, B, C and B, C, E. A, B, C and B, C, E. I'll apply this. ABD, ABC and BCE. Aryan, Utkarsh, Sanjana, how you are getting this?
Sir,
Sanjana,
I use that AD is perpendicular to BC.
explain करने दो बेटा. Sanjana, try to explain बेटा.
Sir, for the second one, the in triangle for a triangle ABC and the triangle PCE, we know that the bases are same. So
Just a minute, just a minute, just a
we'll
minute,
have
just a minute, just a minute. I'm just drawing the figure. Just we have to go for so just a minute, I'm writing now. Triangle ABC and the ratio BC. Yes. Go ahead.
So the heights will be in ratio.
ABC, right? So ABC is the complete this triangle, right?
Yes.
Good. So ABC, the base is BC, right? And BCE, the base is the BC only. So 100%, the base is fixed in this case. So I can say this will be directly proportional to AH and some value EF, right? EF, right? Now, good idea. Then how you're going for this? How you find the relation between AH and EF? Any idea on this?
Just 1 second.
Take your time, take your time.
They are parallel.
Yes.
Ratio.
Right. This is a good idea. Okay, right. We can, right.
Sir, we know that AD is 4DE, right?
Yes.
We can apply Pythagoras theorem in this.
So this is giving, right? This is giving, and this is giving. So like this is AD, right? This triangle, and second triangle is this one. What you are getting? What you can say about these two triangles,
So they're similar.
right? So ratio of side will be in the same ratio, right? Right. So what ratio you are getting for the heights? The same as AD and BE. What is the ratio of AD and DE? What was given?
Sir,
What was given? 4:1,
who is doing?
right? So what is the like answer for this one? Right? Only you have to find this now. AD, right? So this is AH upon EF. Can I say this? AH upon EF is equal to AD upon D is equal to 4:1. Right. And that is the answer only. So 4:1. Is this okay? Right. So only just you have to see this, like how this is going. Right. And see, geometry is not tough, but reaching to some point is, this will take time. And just we have to do question, and question, then we will be able to see exactly what triangles we have to take, where we have to use this, right? And this is not the like a straightforward method, right? We can solve this by different methods, right? So like this, I always say this is like flow like water, right? If you pour the water anywhere, the water will find the direction. In the same way, the geometry we have to do. We have to flow like water. Just we have to see the direction, what direction naturally coming out. Right. So, Utkarsh, what you did in this, beta? Same or some different thing?
Sir, taking AD as like perpendicular to BC.
this is
Sir, I took the same thing.
this
तो
is
पहले वही आया फिर बाद में like समझ में आया.
Yes, sir.
ये
सर
तो-
आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन से इंस्पिरेशन दिया मुझे.
नहीं
अपना फिगर बनाओ.
ऐसा इंस्पिरेशन नहीं लेना हमें. लाइक एकदम मोस्ट जनरलाइज केस है, उसमें कोशिश करना है बेटा. बाद के लिए तो एग्जाम के लिए सब जायज. हाँ, एग्जाम के लिए हम लोग बात करेंगे, अलग से काम करेंगे. यहाँ तो हम लोगों को परेशान होना है. हम लोग जितना अपने प्रोसेस में यहाँ परेशान होंगे ना, उतना एग्जाम में हम बचेंगे। यहाँ जितना आराम होगा ना, उतना एग्जाम में परेशान होगा। तो वो वाला मेरे को नहीं चाहिए। हाँ, यहाँ हम लोग परेशान होंगे, वो बेटर है। क्या ये वाला ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
राइट। सो वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू, राइट?
तो
और
कंपोनेंट डिविडेंड भी कर सकते हैं।
वो भी बड़ा अच्छा काम कर जाता।
उसमें हाइट्स की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी,
एरिया के एरिया से ही हमारे वर्किंग हो जाती।
सिर्फ शिवास थ्योरम प्रूफ होता है।
तो वो सिवाज तो हर क्वेश्चन में कहीं ना कहीं सिवाज ही है, और ये डायरेक्शन ही वही जा रहा है कि लाइक आई कैन टीच यू द सिवाज, राइट? पाथागोरस ऑल यू नो ना?
तो लास्ट क्लास में हम लोग ने बेसिक्स डिस्कस किए थे।
आवाज नहीं आई।
मैंने लास्ट थ्योरम तक गए थे ना लास्ट क्लास में।
हाँ, लास्ट क्लास में मैं
आई थिंक हमें स्टीवर्ट करना चाहिए।
थोड़ा सा मैं बैकवर्ड आया हूँ आज। हाँ, क्योंकि लास्ट क्लास में मैंने फील किया था कि कुछ लोगों को थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल नहीं थे, तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा इसलिए पहले एरिया को, लाइक हाउ टू सी द एरिया, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग दैट फॉर दैट, राइट? तो इसमें एंड द वेराइटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू विल फाइंड अमेजिंग, राइट? तो लेट्स सी। सेवाज तो सेवाज है, सेवाज में लॉज एंड एक्सपर्ट, right? So, okay, so I'm sending few question on this, right? Only you have to prove, you have to go for that, right? Then again we'll meet, right? So, right, just a minute now.